Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Lenovo Yoga Tab Plus, and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find biometrics and passwords. Then let's tap on the fingerprint, and if you do not have the screen lock, you will have to apply it right now, so either pattern, pen or password. If you've got one, you will be transferred to another step. So let me quickly choose the pattern, let me draw it, let's redraw it and tap on done. Here we've got the notifications which we want to show on the lock screen, so just mark the option and tap on done, tap on add. And now here we've got the instructions, so all we have to do is to put our finger on the sensor, which is located on the power button of our device. So let me do it, just put it on it, do not press. And now we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully, so try to catch every part of it for better recognition. Okay, let's tap on done. So this is the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it, it's totally up to you. And decide whether you want to use it for unlocking the device or unlocking and opening the app. Of course, you can also add another. So now let me lock the device and let's check if it is working. So let me put my finger on the sensor, and as you can see, the device is unlocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.